I'm Julianna Valdez from STEM Club St. Patricia, and I will be your tour guide for today. Before showing you the Dora the Explorer city, let me tell you a short introduction about it. Once upon a time, Santa got sick for too long, as he is afraid to spread the disease and he can't deliver the gifts to the children. He instructed Dora to replace him for this Christmas. Feliz Navidad! It's Christmas! As we explore Dora City, I will also tell you the cell organelles that they are similar to. Now, here is the blueprint of Dora City. First off, we have the fence. The fence acts as a barrier to protect the people inside the city, just like how the cell wall supports and protects the internal structure of the cell. Next one is the blue gate. The blue gate acts as the screener that screens the people and the materials that go in and out of the city, just like how the cell membrane or the plasma membrane screens the substances to protect the cell. Gifts. The gifts are the main production in Dora City, which is involved in all the activities in the city, just like how the proteins are responsible and are involved in all cell functions. The next one is Santa. Santa has the control over the gifts and he regulates all the Christmas activities in the city. He also carries information like wishes of the people living in the city, just like how the nucleus controls and are responsible for the cellular activities like growth, metabolism, reproduction, and etc. It also stores cell hereditary.
I'm the map! I'm the map!
The map. The map includes important information like locations of the houses of the citizens, which is essential for distributing the gifts appropriately and Christmas activities. Just like the chromosomes carry the DNA that provides genetic characteristics and information of the cell. It is also essential to ensure that the DNA is distributed appropriately. Santa's house. As Santa is sick, his house acts as his protector from outside that may be dangerous to him. Just like how the nuclear membrane encloses and surrounds the nucleus to protect it from the substances. Professor Plyborg's workshop. It is a workshop that has machines for making gifts in the city. Just like how the ribosomes are the machines that builds proteins in the cell. Professor Plyborg. He is in command of the workshop. He also produces and assembles the gifts for the children. Just like how the Nucleolus assembles and produces cells, ribosomes, and proteins. Dora. She's the one who's responsible to transport the materials and the gifts for the children's houses. Just like how the Endoplasmic Reticulum transport materials needed by the cell. Boots. Boots is the one who sorts and packs the gifts for children from Dora. Just like how the Golgi apparatus helps to pack and process the proteins from endoplasmic reticulum for secretion to other parts of the cell. Power plant. The power plant makes energy for the city to work, so it is essential to make the city survive. It's also essential to produce gifts and other Christmas activities. Just like how the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell that produces ATP or adenosine triphosphate or energy, and it is a site of cellular respiration to survive. The bag. The bag contains all the essential materials to store and protect it while the trashes are kept or disposed of. Just like how the vacuole provides structural support and acts as storage compartments while disposing poisonous or harmful materials. Swiper, no swiping, but swiper, yes to sweeping. Swiper acts as a sweeper that cleans the trashes in the city to avoid the spread of viruses and bacteria. Just like the lysosome that kills the foreign substances, which are the bacteria and virus that are not needed inside the cell to protect it. The trees. The trees in the city uses the photosynthesis process that captures the energy from the sun. Just like how the Chloroplast convert light energy into stable chemical energy through a photosynthesis process. However, it is only found in plant cells. And that's it for Dora City. I hope you enjoyed and learned the cell analogy. Once again, I am Julianna Valdez from STEM 12 St. Patricia. Lysosome, we did it!
¡Lo hicimos! ¡Lo hicimos! ¡Lo hicimos! ¡Sí! ¡We did it! ¡Lo hicimos!
Thank you for watching. Gracias!